Welcome to lecture video. I am Dr. P. Manivanan, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Government College of Engineering, Sri Rangam, Trichy 12. It is the lecture video number 6, Open Jackson Network for the CSE Department, second year, fourth semester. For the paper, MA 8402, Probability and Queuing Theory. Unit number 5, Advanced Queuing Model. In this video, we see the Open Jackson Network model and problems under two problems. Okay, now what is the Open Jackson network? A network consists of k nodes. There are k nodes. Is said to be Open Jackson network if it satisfies the following characteristics. The first characteristic is customer arriving at node k from outside the system arrive in a Poisson pattern. The arrival is in Poisson pattern with an average arrival rate is Ri and join the queue at I. It is the ith queue, the arrival rate is Ri and wait his turn for service and he is wait for his turn in the service. The next one, the second characteristic is service time at the channels at node I are independent. The service times are independent and exponentially distributed with parameter mu. The service time is independent and exponentially distributed with the parameter mu. The third one, once a customer gets the service completed at node I, he will join the queue at node J with the probability that Pij. It is the probability for from node I to node J. What is the probability? This is the probability. When I equal to 1 to etc. k and j equal to 0, 1, 2 and etc. k. I0 means he leave the system from node I to 0. What is the meaning of P11 1 to 1? It is not possible, so it will be 0. P1 to 2 means the probability that from the node 1 to 2. P21 is different from node 2 to 1. It is different. This is also different. These are not equal. Need not be equal. It is from 1 to 2. It is from 2 to 1. Okay. 0 means the second subscript 0 means he leave the system. He leave the system from the node I. The utilization of all the queues is less than 1. It will be the important characteristic. The utilization factor of the all queues less than 1. The generalized form. Consider a system of k servers. Customers arrives from outside the system to the server I equal to 1 to etc. k in accordance with the independent Poisson process at the arrival rate is Ri to the server I. The arrival rate is Ri. Then they join the queue at I until their turn at service comes. Once a customer is served at server I, then he join the queue in front of server J. Once he served from I, he will join to J. With the probability, what is the probability here? Pij. It is the probability to join from I to J. Hence, sum of the all properties must be less than 1. Sum of the all probability must be less than 1 for the ith node. Since here j equal to 1 to k, there are k servers, k node or k servers, and 1 minus this value represents the probability that the customer depart from the system, that means leave from the system after being served by I. if we let lambda j denote the total arrival rate of the customer to server j. Lambda j be the total arrival rate. Ri be the arrival rate from where? Outside the system. Outside the system, not in the system, from the previous node or from the previous nodes. Then lambda j can be obtained as a solutions of lambda j equal to rj plus summation I equal to 1 to k lambda I pij I equal to 1 to etc. k. Means it is the jth node. What is the arrival rate from the outside source? The arrival rate is rj. From the other nodes, like as p, it is the ith node, I minus 1th node. What is the probability? It is the probability that its arrivals are total arrival rate of lambda I, it is lambda I minus 1 with the probability p of I minus 1 comma j. It is p I comma j, ij or I comma j. These are the probabilities. See in the problems, detailedly explained in the problems. Lambda ij equal to rj plus summation I equal to 1 to k lambda I pij. From the equation 1 follows the server. Rj is the arrival rate of the customer to j. Node is j. The arrival rate is rj from outside the system. And lambda I is the rate at which the customer depart from the server I. From I to j. The arrival rates of lambda I. Lambda I is the arrival rate. That means departure from I to j. Therefore, lambda I into Pij is the arrival rate to j from those come from the server. It turn out the number of customers at each of the servers is independent. The number of customers at each server is independent and of the form probability of n customers at service j equal to n customers at the server j equal to lambda j divided by mu j whole power n into 1 minus lambda j divided by mu j for n greater than or equal to 1, where mu I is the exponential service rate at the server j. The lambda j is the solutions of the previous equations. Of course, the rho, rho j is must be less than 1 for each j. To prove this, we first note that it is equivalent to asserting the limiting property, that property of n1, n2, etc. nk equal to property of nj at the server j, j equal to 1 to etc. k is given by multiplication of these. These are independent, so product of these values. Property of n1, n2, etc. nk equal to product of j equal to 1 to k lambda j divided by mu j whole power nj. Nj means whole power n. For j equal to 1, it will be denoted as n1 etc. into 1 minus lambda j divided by mu j. It can be verified by the showing that it satisfies the balance equations for this model. The average number of customers in the system equal to ls equal to j equal to 1 to k average number at each server j is equal to the summation j equal to 1 to k lambda j divided by mu j minus lambda j. The average time of a customer spent in the system can be obtained from the formula L equal to lambda into W. Therefore, W equal to Ls by lambda. Here, lambda is summation of Rj, not summation of lambda j. Okay, summation of Rj. It is the external arrival. Therefore, Ws equal to Ls divided by lambda. It is equal to summation j equal to 1 to k lambda j divided by mu j minus lambda j divided by summation j equal to 1 to k Rj. The first problem. This problem based on the open Jackson network. Consider a system of two servers where customer from outside the system arrival at server 1 at a Poisson rate of 4. Therefore, the external arrival for the server 1 is and the server 2 is 5. The server rate 1 and 2 are respectively, the service rate is 8 and 10. 8 and 10. A customer upon completion of service at server 1 is equally like to go to server 2 or to leave the system. This is the important concept. Here from server 1, it is the options are he will go to server 2 or left the system. And whereas the departure from server 2, when a customer in the server 2, what are the options for the further movement? There are 25% of the time he will go to the server 1 and will depart from system otherwise. Otherwise, he will left. Determine the limiting properties LS and WS. Now, given the system is Jackson open queuing system. From the given data, it is known here. Given, let us assume lambda 1 and lambda 2 be the total arrivals rate at S1 and S2. Given the external arrival rate are 4 and 5. Here, the external arrivals are for the first system is 4, the second system is 5. Service rate is 8 and 10. Service rate is 8 and 10. Arrival is external arrival. So R1 and R2, 4 and 5. What are the given data? From the server 1, it is equally like to go to server 2 and leave the system. It is equally like the chances. So the total probability is 1 divided by 2. So it is the probability to server 1 to 2 is 1 by 2 and server 1 to leave the system or left the system is 1 by 2. Therefore, here we want only probability of 1 to 1, 1 to 2. What is the meaning of 1 to 1? Server 1 again he will join to the server 1. It is not possible, so it will be 0. Given server 1 to 2 is 1 by 2, so it is probability of 1 comma 2 equal to 1 by 2. From server 2, what is the chance? 25% of chances he will go to the server 1. Therefore, it is 25% of chance. That means 25 by 100 is 1 by 4. Otherwise, he will left. Therefore, the lefting probability is 3 by 4. It is no need. Here, probability of from 2 to 1 is 1 by 4. 2 to 1 is 1 by 4. 2 to 2 is he will rejoin again into, it is not allowable. Here P22 is 0. B22 is 0. Hence P11 equal to 0. P12 equal to 1 by 2. P21 equal to 1 by 4. P22 equal to 0. The Jackson flow balance equation is lambda j equal to Rj plus summation I equal to 1 to 2. Here only 2 servers. So it will become 2. Lambda I Pij. J equal to 1 to 2. For put j equal to 1, we get lambda 1 equal to R1 plus summation I equal to 1 to 2 j. So lambda I P I j equal to 1. So Pi1. After expanding this term, put I equal to 1, lambda 1 P11 plus lambda 2 P21. What are the given data? we want to find out lambda 1 and lambda 2. Our aim is to find out lambda 1 and lambda 2. Here R1 equal to 4. R1 equal to 4 here given. And P11 is 0. P12 is 1 by 2. 0. P21 is, what is the value of 21? 21 is 1 by 4. Therefore, lambda 1 equal to, it will become 0. 4 plus lambda 2 by 4. For j equal to 2, we get lambda 2 equal to R2 plus summation I equal to 1 to 2 lambda I Pi2, expanding this term, lambda 2 equal to R2 plus lambda 1 P12 plus lambda 2 P22. From the given data, the value of 1 to 2 is 0, 2 to 2 is 0. 1 to 2 is 1 by 2, 2 to is 0, it will become 0. Therefore, lambda 2 equal to 5 plus lambda 1 by 2. Solving the equation number 2 and 3, we find out the value of lambda 1 and lambda 2. Substituting the lambda 1 value, what is the lambda 1 value? Lambda 1 equal to 4 plus lambda 2 by 4, the previous page. Substituting here, we get lambda 2 equal to 5 plus 1 by 2 of 4 plus lambda 2 by 4. Multiplying 1 by 2 inside, it will become 4 by 2 is 2, lambda 2 by 8. 5 plus 2 is 7, lambda 2 equal to 5 plus 2 plus lambda 2 by this value becomes lambda 2 minus lambda 2 by 8 equal to 7. It will become 7 lambda 2 by 8 equal to 7. Simplifying this, lambda 2 equal to 8. Lambda 2 equal to 8. Substituting lambda 2 equal to 8 in the equation number 1. In this equation, we get lambda 1 equal to 4 plus 8 by 8 by 4. 8 by 4. It is equal to 4 plus 2. It is equal to 6. Lambda 1 equal to 6. Lambda 2 equal to 8. From the given data, mu1 equal to 8, mu2 equal to 10. Our aim is to find out the number of customers in the system. LS equal to L1 plus L2. What is the value of L1? L1 equal to lambda 1 divided by mu1 minus lambda 1 plus L2 is lambda 2 divided by mu2 minus lambda 2. From the previous page, we see that lambda 1 equal to 6 and lambda 2 equal to 8 and mu1 equal to, given the data, mu1 equal to 8, mu2 equal to 10. Substituting these values, we get 6 by 8 minus 6 plus 8 divided by 10 minus 8 is equal to 6 by 2, 8 by 2. 6 by 2 is 3, 8 by 2 is 4. 3 plus 4 is 7 members in the system. What is the waiting time for a customer in the system? Is WS equal to 1 by lambda into LS. Here lambda is R1 plus R2, not equal to, lambda is not equal to lambda 1 plus lambda 2. We know that. Okay. Lambda equal to R1 plus R2 equal to 4 plus 5 equal to 9 from the given data. Therefore, 1 by 9 into LS is 7. So, 7 by 9. It is the waiting time for a customer in the system. The next one. What is the probability for number of customers at server 1 and N2 customer at server 2 is the formula. P of N1 comma N2 equal to lambda 1 divided by mu1 whole power N1 into 1 minus lambda 1 by mu 1 into for n2 lambda 2 by mu 2 whole power n2 into 1 minus lambda 2 divided by mu 2. Hence, the probability for the customers waiting in the server 1 is 1 and the server 2 is 2. P of 1 comma 2 equal to 3 by 4 whole power 1 into 1 minus 3 by 4 into substituting n1 equal to 1, n2 equal to 2 and lambda 1, lambda 2, mu 1, mu 2, we get 4 by 5 whole square into 1 minus 4 by 5. After simplifying 3 by 4 into 1 by 4, 16 by 4 square 16, 5 square 25 into 1 minus 4 by 5 becomes 1 by 5. 16 and 16 cancel. It is 3 by 125. It is the probability for one customer at server 1 and two customer at server 2. Like this. The next problem. It is an important problem. In a network of 3 service station 1, 2, 3, customers arrive at the service station 1, 2, and 3 from outside in accordance with the Poisson process, having the arrival rate of 5, 10, 15 for the service station 1, 2, 3 respectively. The service time at the 3 station are exponentially with respect to the rates 10, 50, 100. It is the service time rate. 5, 10, 15 is arrival rate. A customer completing service at station 1 is equally likely to go to station 2 or go to 3 or leave. Therefore, a customer completing service at station 1 is 3 possibles. He go to 2 or go to 3 or leave the system. The next one, a customer departing from the service station at 2 always goes to 3. There is only one possible. He must go to the station 3. The third service station, a departure from service at station 3 is equally likely go to station 2 or leave the system. It is the equal chances. Given equally like, our aim is to find out what is the average number of customers in the system, what is the average time of a customer spends in the system. Given data, the given system is Jackson open queuing system. Let lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 be the total arrival rates of the servers S1, S2, S3 respectively. Given for the server S1, the arrival rate from the external source R1 equal to 5. Similarly, for S2, R2 equal to 10. For S3, R3 equal to 15. Given the service rates of the servers S1, S2, S3 are respectively 10, 50, and 100. These are given data. Also given from the server 1, it is equally likely to go to server 2, server 3, and leave the system. Therefore, there are 3 possibilities for each one. The total possibility is equally split up to, so each probability will be 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Therefore, the probability from 1 to 1, it is always be 0. 1 to 1 is 0. Here not given, so it is 1 to 1 is 0. Probability of from the server 1 to 2 is 1 to 2 is 1 by 3. P of 1 comma 3 equal to from server 1 to 3 is 1 by 3. Therefore, these are the from the given data. Given from server 2 is always goes to server 3. This always. Therefore, its probability is 1. Therefore, probability of 2 to 3 is 1. Therefore, the remaining probabilities are P of 2 to 1 is 0 and also P of 2 to 2 is 0. From 2 to 1, 2 and 3. From server 3 given, it is equally likely to go to server 2 or leave the system. These two are equally likely. So here 2 options only. Therefore, each must be 1 by 2. There are 2 chances. Therefore, divided by 2. Each one is 1 by 2. Therefore, probability of 3 to 2 is 1 by 2. The remaining are 0. So P of 3 to 1 is 0 and also P of 3 to 3 is, therefore from the diagram it will be, see the property of 1 to 1 is 0, probability of 1 to 2 is 1 by 3, probability of 1 to 3 is 1 by 3. Similarly, probability of 2 to 1 is 0, 2 to 2 is 0, 2 to 3 is 1. Probability of 3 to 1 is 0, 3 to 2 is 1 by 2, 3 to 3 is 0. These are the from the given data. By Jackson flow balance equation is lambda j equal to rj plus summation I equal to 1 to 3 lambda I pij. Here nodes are 1 to 3. Put j equal to 1 for the node 1. Lambda 1 equal to r1 plus summation I equal to 1 to 3 lambda I 1. Put I equal to 1 to 3, we get this equation. Here in the previous page, P11 is 0, P21 is 0, P31 is 0 from the given data. 0, 0, 0. The next one, therefore lambda 1 equal to 5. Substituting this value, we get 5. Put j equal to 2 in the equation number 1. We get lambda 2 equal to r2 plus summation I equal to 1 to 3 lambda 1 pi2. Substituting I equal to 1 to 3, we get this value. Substituting the values of P12, P22, P32, 1 by 3, 0, 1 by 2. After simplification, we get, since lambda 1 equal to 5 in the equation number 2, we get lambda 2 equal to 10 plus 5 by 3. This value becomes 0. Lambda 3 by 2. 10 plus 5 by 3 is 30 plus 5, 35 by 3. Therefore, lambda 2 equal to 35 by 3 plus lambda 3 by 2. Put j equal to 3 in equation number 1, we get lambda 3 equal to r3 plus summation I equal to 1 to 3 lambda I p I3. Put I equal to 1 to 3, we get lambda 3 equal to r3 plus lambda 1 plus lambda 1 into p13 plus lambda 2 into p23 plus lambda 3 into p33. Substituting the values of P13, P23 and P33, 1 by 3, 1, 0. We get this value becomes 0. Lambda 1 is 5. So its value be 15 plus 5 by 3 plus lambda 2. Lambda 2. This value is lambda 2. Therefore, lambda 3 equal to 50 by 3 plus lambda 2. After simplifying equation number 3 and 4, we get the value of lambda 2 and lambda 3. Solving the equation 3 and 4, we get lambda 2 and 3. Equation number 3 is lambda 2 equal to 35 by 3 plus lambda 3 by 2 and lambda 3 equal to 50 by 3 plus lambda 2. Substituting the values for lambda 2 in this equation. Therefore, equation number 4 becomes, this value is lambda 2. After simplifying, 50 plus 35 whole divided by 3 is 85 by 3 plus lambda 3 by 2. Taken this side, we get lambda 3 minus lambda 3 by 2 equal to 85 by 3. It becomes 1 by 2 of lambda 3 equal to 85 by 3. Taken this right side, we get lambda 3 equal to 170 by 3. It is the lambda 3 value. Substituting this value in equation number 4, we get 170 by 3 equal to 50 by 3 plus lambda 2. Take 50 by 3 taken to left side, it will be become 120 by 3. So lambda 2 equal to 120 by 3. After simplifying, this value becomes lambda 2 equal to 40. 120 by 3 equal to 40. Therefore, Hence, lambda 2 equal to 40, lambda 3 equal to 170 by 3. The average number of customers in the system is LS is lambda 1 divided by mu 1 minus lambda 1 plus lambda 2 divided by mu 2 minus lambda 2 plus lambda 3 divided by mu 3 minus lambda 3. That means LS1 plus LS2 plus LS3. It is the formula. Here mu1 equal to, given the data, mu1 equal to 10, mu2 equal to 50, mu3 equal to 100. And from the previous page we find out the values of lambda 1 and lambda 2, lambda 3 as lambda 1 equal to 5, lambda 2 is 40, lambda 3 is 170 by 3. Substituting these values in this equation, we get LS equal to 5 by 10 minus 5, lambda 1 equal to 5, mu 1 equal to 10. 5 divided by 10 minus 5. Lambda 2 equal to 40, mu 2 equal to 50. So 40 divided by 50 minus 40. Lambda 3 is 170 by 3, mu 3 is 100. So 170 by 3 divided by 100 minus 170 by 3. After simplifying, we get 5 by 5 plus 40 by 10 plus 170 divided by 300 minus 170. So 130 divided by 3. 5 by 5 by 5 is 1. 40 by 10 is 4. This denominator cancelled. Therefore, it is 170 divided by 130. After divided by 10, it will be become 17 divided by 13. 5 plus 17 by 13. 5 into 13 is 65 plus 17 divided by 13. It is equal to 82 divided by 13. Therefore, LS is 6.3077 customers in the system. The average time of a customer spent in the system is Ws equal to 1 by lambda into Ls. Here lambda equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Lambda not equal to, note that lambda 1 plus lambda 2 plus lambda 3 is not equal to this important point. Lambda is R1 plus R2 plus R3 equal to 5 plus 10 plus 15 equal to 30. Therefore, 1 by 30 into 82 by 13. Simplifying, we get 41 divided by 195. It is the average waiting time of the customer in the system. Okay, thank you.